कायदे मुखन्ना अकबरुद्दीन अवैसी ने कहा कि टीडीपी, कांग्रेस और बीआरएस के दौरे हुकूमत में भी वक्फ अराजियात पर कब्जे हुए हैं और अब कांग्रेस की हुकूमत में भी वक्फ अराजियात पर कब्जे हो रहे हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि टीडीपी हो या कांग्रेस या बीआरएस हुकूमत के दौर में वक्फ अराजियात पर बड़े बड़े कंपनीज कायम करने की इजाज़त दी गई और वक्फ अराजियात को तबाह किया गया।
अगर मैं कुछ कहूंगा तो कांग्रेस की जानिब से उठ के लोग बोलेंगे कि अकबर साहब 10 बरस से बीआरएस की हुकूमत थी तो उन्होंने क्या किया। तो मैं मेरे कांग्रेस के मेरे दोस्तों से ये बात कहना चाहूंगा, लर्नड फ्रेंड्स से मेरी ये बात कहना चाहूंगा कि जब कांग्रेस भी थी 10 बरस तो औकाफी जायदादें तबाह व बर्बाद होती नहीं। मैं याद दिलाना चाहूंगा कि हजरत हुसैन शाह वली रहमतुल्लाह अलैह की दरगाह की 1600 चिल्लर एकड़ आराजी, जहां पर लैंको है, जहां पर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट है, जहां पे आईएसबी है, जहां पर विप्रो है, ये वक्फ की लैंड थी और इन सभी सारे जमीनात को इन मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज को हवाले करने वाले कोई और नहीं बल्कि कांग्रेस थी। Sir, the land was given for a IT development purpose, sir. But sir, the Lanco has not developed any IT. The Lanco has constructed residential apartments over there. It's not an IT park. Sir, I have the GO with me. Clearly it states that the land to Lanco has been allotted for a purpose of IT development. Where has the IT been developed? So the matter was sub judice. High Court, I went to the High Court. I fought the case, I won in the High Court. Later on, we have appealed in the Supreme Court. But the state government never supported the claim. And due to negligence of the Waqf Board and the pressure of the government on the learned, the councils which were there who were fighting the case on behalf of Waqf Board, the Waqf Board had lost the case, sir. तो मैं बताना यह चाहता हूं कि हर वक्त अगर नुकसान हुआ तो किसका हुआ। We take pride and we will take pride in the high-tech city. We will take pride Microsoft being in our state in Hyderabad. We will take pride in Wipro being here. We take pride in the expansion of Gachibowli. But sir, the fact remains that 1,600 and change acre of land was a Waqf land, sir. And the governments have failed to protect the Waqf land, sir. Not only that, sir. Sir, you would be surprised, sir. Everybody, whenever the government comes, one wanted to name the international airport in the name of, when TDP came, they wanted to name the airport by N.T. Rama Rao. When the Congress came, they named it after Rajiv Gandhi. But sir, who is the owner of the land? The Waqf Board is the owner of the land. Hazrat Baba Sharfuddin Sahab Pahadi's Waqf land, sir. Waqf land, sir. From that Waqf land, 900 acres were taken and an airport was started or constructed or developed, I would say, sir. तो मैं बताना यह चाहता हूं कि लैंड और रेवेन्यू के बारे में हर वक्त गुफ्तगू होती है, लेकिन मुसलमान तो 1948 से अपने जमीनात को खोता रहा और आज भी खो रहा है। मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत की तवज्जो इस बात पे लाना चाहता हूं कि आज भी औकाफ की जायदादें तबाह बर्बाद हो रही हैं। Sir, when I talk about Microsoft or when I talk about ISB, when I talk about IMG, sir, I would like to say that we are not against Microsoft coming. We are not against Wipro coming. We are not against anybody. The only submission which I am making from years and years is that, sir, that these are the lands which belongs to the Waqf Board. Kindly protect this land. Give the due share to the Muslim Waqf Board. लेकिन ये नहीं हो रहा है, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir, I will give all the details, sir. Sir, in the land reform in AP and also in Telangana, sir, from our viewpoint, sir, further ahead, sir, I will give all the details, sir. Sir, in the land reform in AP and also in Telangana, sir, from our viewpoint, sir, a more disturbing trend is that both, sir, let it be both, I would say, three parties, sir, whether it is Congress, whether it is TDP in United AP, and then TRS, BRS, and now Congress, in Telangana have merrily allotted large extents of government land running into thousands of acres to various individuals, Indian companies and multinational corporations in the name of promotion of industries, pharma and biotech units, information technology and IT-enabled services and special economic zones. Sir. And in this, the major chunk of land which have been allotted are the Waqf, sir. Waqf land, sir.